Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the child's Roblox account and confirming the email. This unlocks full privacy controls. Once signed in, go straight to Settings and enable account restrictions. That rapidly turns off most social and chat features for underage players. Then create an account PIN so only you can change those settings. Make sure to store the PIN safely and test that restrictions are active before handing the device back to the child. Once account restrictions are on, dive deeper. Open privacy and explicitly set who can chat, who can message, and who can follow to friends or no one depending on comfort. Then in security, link a parent account and enable two-step verification to prevent hijacking. Also edit join game and follow permissions so strangers can't access the child's play sessions. Finally, review and block any specific users. This layered approach ensures finish by signing out and testing the child account from a separate device to confirm chat, friend invites, and purchases are blocked. Make sure the account PIN is active and don't save login info on shared devices. Keep parent credentials separate and enable two-step on the parent account to lock changes. If controls appear disabled or grayed out, verify the birth date on the account and clear the app cache or reinstall. If issues persist, contact Roblox support with the verified email ready.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.